Hoodlums don't destroy former military governor of Rivers State, Palace, for Twon Brass, Bayelsa State. Now, this king, whether they call Alfred Diete-Spiff, I don't know whether now in name, gets youths for in community, but you know they too treat these people well. Now make these people don't vex, so come outside, come they protest against them. Now, these hoodlums, whether they call hoodlums, I'm not sure say they be hoodlums, because I feel saying that the youths where they vex. These people that they protect say lights not to the day, then the people where they even work for there, they know they pay them their money. So what do you want make these people can't do? As they maybe they don't try everything where they want to do, nothing they work out for them now, and they decide say may they go on peaceful protest. As they go on this peaceful protest now, they protest on their own 19 scatter. But before I go talk this thing, when I first watch this video first. When I don't see this video, see as youths they vex, they scatter everywhere. See as they scatter everything. But what do they make these people vex now be say? Because of say lights no they day, then they need even pay these workers. But what they come vex them pass now as they protest. One military officer come shoot gun. Now there this gun go touch person for Lego. Now there they use come vex say which kind of rubbish be all these ones now? So they no feel protest in peace. Now so lucky protest, now so they do so they kill people. This one safe, and I don't go shoot person for leg. Which kind of problem come with this one now? Now they use vest, scatter the place. If you now see the video, don't scatter everywhere, destroy everything. This one now unknown stone men. Because the things what they do, that they really vex. It shows say these people they vex. Now we they hear say the Governor Diete don't talk say they go try put things in place. That is the electricity go dey constant. Then light self they go do them. Money self whether they owe people they go pay them all this money because themselves they not to like this trouble where this youth they cause. But my own now, these things will on break now. Waiting on a give from them. Because as I break this palace now on our money, then they go still use they build this place back. If this man now asks government, okay, I need money to build this thing, or in talks, okay, and I don't destroy this thing, making I pay tax, I be pay this thing, who will still pay him? Now, it be like saying Nigerians, we just like violence, we just like fight. Because if saying I don't even still break this thing, call this man, say, okay, this light we know they did, we don't like him. This thing where this Nigerian Ajib oil they do. On I no like am, on I no talk, on I feel say the best way na to carry stone, carry stick, where they break people things. It don't make sense at all. Because now una go even suffer and pass. Now yes, now una go suffer am. Because at some point, the things where they supposed use money to do for the community, they go use and start to build palace. But as this man don't talk saying go settle on Nana, he go pay the people when they owe, then he go do the normal things when supposed they do, then light safe. They don't already do light don't they steady. So I think say this one Nana means the man don't see and say yes, or they really vex. And he don't look for means to settle all this kind of matter. So as this matter be like this, make on ourselves talk waiting and think about this matter. As these people destroy this thing on a like them, and this king self on a short self saying they work for this community. Because if people know they vex, they no go destroy your palace. If say you be good king, they go reason with you, they go look and say, yes, you be better person. They no go destroy anything. But this one, the blessed said they don't mean you down, they don't they wait for you, say, make this man just do something, make we kill him. Make we find way, make we come out them. But as it be like this, making ourselves comment about this matter, making us not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. As we get better story for now, I go to see you now for our next story. Hey, another kidnapping again. This kind of kidnapping thing don't even tire me. No, we are even get safe again for this Nigeria. Then just kidnap 2 men for Kubwa. These people where they go by the name Mr. Ayodele Shomori and Mr. Oladimeji Josiah. They don't kidnap them all. Person no even fit stay in house again now. They go carry you. You don't disappear. You go just there. You don't even know where they safe again for you. These two men now, they say people come their house. These people where they kidnap people. They first come this first man house, where be Mr. Yodele. They first carry this man, they can't go in neighbor house. This Mr. Josiah, they can't carry himself. Waiting now won't even gain self from this kidnapping when they do. Because now just they carry people. Sometimes if they pay now this money, or now they release these people. Waiting now can they gain from this kidnapping when they do. But as we dey hear them, person wey see them talk say on Friday 21st of May around 11:45 p.m. for night. Now these people come so as they carry this man, this Mr. Yodele, now they can't go this second man place, Mr. Josiah. So now they start to they shoot gun. No be small gun, they shoot before they can't carry this man. So as they carry this man go now, so the thing where these people now they ask for now 10 million naira. 10 million was ransom. Where this family won't see this kind of money? Where they won't see them? That means 20 million for these two people now. Oh, now all these people say, you go just anybody go just wake up one day, tie scarf for head, say himself be kidnapper. If let's say this business now in the rain, no. If you no get work to do, blessing are the new trend of business. Some people say that then they plan their own kidnapping. As they don't say, my papa get money, my mama get money, may I carry me now, my parents go pay. This one now for Abuja now it happen for near Living Faith Church for Kubwa. If this kind of thing they happen for Abuja, where can they safe now? Lagos no they safe be that. But Port Harcourt no they safe. Because if they fit carry person for Abuja where be say it even they peaceful. That means this place, other states own go worst. Warri go worst, Port Harcourt place go worst. Ha! I don't dey fear for my life But the police command, Mariam Yusuf, don't talk say they don't already set people in place on how to go rescue these people. You sure say this thing go work? Nigerian police, all of us know say even if you thief self, for them to even find you, na problem. If they thief you or something, they no go even see you self to catch you. Talk less of say they won't come go the rescue person. All the Chibok girls where they kidnap, how many they see rescue? No be until they release these people finish, now they carry them. Hey, Nigerian police will be saying na scam. We just even police have they fear for their own life. That they try even protect themselves. Now then go come risk their life, say, make I go help this person. Police have they fear. But my own thing now, where can they safe now for this country all day? Nowhere they safe Even you dey inside your house, they can't carry inside your house. It means say nowhere they safe. So I go advise say maybe make they legalize, make people get gun, get things for house. So that you self go fit protect yourself. Because as these people come now, if say they get means where they go fit protect themselves, therefore do something. But this one now, they just carry them just like that. And if they don't see that 10 million naira pay, it means that their life don't waste just like that. So make we find means, make we self the learn things. If na taekwondo abi na Jackie Chan fight, you won't go learn. Learn more. So that we're going to get means on how to protect ourselves. Things they really happen. If we don't learn to protect ourselves, now here we go there. Person will just come one day, carry us just like that. We no go fit do anything about them. Make government self look into this matter. This kidnapping thing don't too much. You don't tire person for here. Today you go hear this one, tomorrow you go hear this one. Today na students, tomorrow na this one. What thing they happen? Government, why be say all these kidnappers they know they go carry all these big people be say they know say why they never even fit go carry Buhari abi the vice president. People wey know say 5 minutes you don't see the money, they'll go they carry people wey be say say they don't even get money to pay. Now them una go they see go carry. As this matter day, now I go stop making herself comment about this matter where they go on for this Nigeria. It is sweet now, I be in herself they vex as I they vex like this. Make now don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel as I go to see now for our next story.